Hello everyone, welcome to Home Learning Point, a new way of learning. Dear parents, this is the right time to think about our kids' education. Let us ask a question to ourselves. Are we providing the right education to our kids? If we want to be clear about it, first of all, we must know what is the real meaning of education. Education is nothing but the development of body, mind and soul of the children. So let us think a while. Are we really helping our kids to develop in all these three aspects to make their life successful and meaningful? If your answer is no, then it's the right time to take the initiation. Why? Because today's children are tomorrow's citizens. So if they are able to develop themselves in their academic progress and also the all-round development, then they can automatically help the society and the country. So it's our own responsibility to mold our children in such a way that they could develop their academic progress along with building a good character, morality and personality. So in this regard, Home Learning Point has designed a program named It's a complete program in which your children will learn how to achieve their academic progress along with all-round development. They will also learn how to set a goal in life and what to do to achieve it. And there are a lot of things to learn in this wonderful program. My name is Anita Srihari Prasad. I'm an expert in thought transformation and a teacher by profession, which is also my passion. A good parent, but a teacher can make the best student. So let us work together to make our children the best in their way of life.